Today we discuss about Microsoft Picture command, and the heading is Insert Picture command. You can insert scanned photographs or picture created in any program in a Word document. Two buttons in the illustration group on the Insert tab. First one, Picture. Click this button to insert a picture from a file, and second one is Clip Art. Click this button to insert on the hundreds of clip art images that come with Word, such as photos and drawings of people, place and things, etc. Insert Picture command. With the help of Insert Picture command, we can insert picture in Microsoft Word document that is stored on your computer or stored in a clip art gallery. First one is picture, in which you can insert the pictures from file, and in clip art you can insert a picture from clip art gallery. Next, steps for inserting picture. If you want to insert picture from file, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the document in which you want to insert the graphics. Step 2. Position the insertion point where you want to insert the graphics to appear. Step 3. Click the Insert tab and choose Picture icon in the illustration group. Step 4. In Insert Picture dialog box, displaying the contents of your sample picture folder. Step 5. Select the desired picture you want to insert in the document. Step 6. Click on Insert button. These are the steps for inserting a picture from file in a document. Next, Insert Picture dialog box. These are the Insert Picture dialog box where you can select any pictures and click on Insert button. It will display on your current document. Next, to insert a clip art. If you want to insert from clip art, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the document in which you want to insert the graphic. Step 2. Position the insertion point where you want the graphics to appear. Step 3. Click the Insert tab and choose Clip Art icon in the illustration group. Step 4. In the Clip Art task pane, select the graphics you want to insert the document. Step 5. click the arrow right side of the picture. A pop-up menu appears. Click on Insert. When you click on Insert button, it will display or appear in your current document. These are the steps for inserting picture from clip art gallery. Next, clip art task pane. These are the task pane where you can search pictures or that appeared in a screen. You can simply click on pictures, it will display in your current document. Also, you can right click on the pictures and click on Insert button, it will display on your document. Next, drawing in MS Word. The drawing feature allows you to create your own drawing or edit a pre-existing drawings. With the help of drawing features, you can draw any type of shapes in a document. With the help of mouse, you can draw circle, triangle, rectangle, square, star, any types of shapes that you want to draw in a document. Steps for drawing. If you want to draw a drawing in a document, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab in the Illustrations group. Click Shapes button. Step 2. Click the down pointing arrow and choose the different shapes such as line, basic shapes, flowchart, black arrow, etc. Step 3. For example, to draw rectangle under basic shapes, click a rectangle button. Step 4. Click on the page to set the rectangle's upper left corner and drag with your mouse to create a rectangle of the desired shape and size. These are the steps for creating a drawing in MS Word document. You can draw any types of shape. Also, you can fill color on shape, or if you want to write the names on the shapes, then you can also write the name of shapes. Next, shapes options. These are the insert shape options where you can draw all types of shapes that available on shapes options like circle, triangle, rectangle, star, square, any types of shape that displayed in this box. You can simply click on shapes and draw with the help of mouse on a document. Thank you.